Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are facing this problem, app not available in your country. This app is currently not available in your country guys. For solution, first of all open app store application. You can see appears on screen here. Tap on profile icon. Now tap on Apple ID. Here wait for few seconds and guys simply tap on country or region here. Now tap on change your country origin. Now select the country. Here your app is available that country. I am selecting Australia. Simply tap on it and wait for a few seconds. Simply tap on agree. Now tap on agree. Here guys, now enter your payment method. If you don't want to enter payment method, simply tap on none. You can see appears on screen, and this is fill information. You can add fake one. You can see this is just for formality. You can see appears on screen. Enter postal code. Here enter city name. Here you can see and select the state. You can see appears on screen. Now enter phone number. You can fake one. This is just for formality. You can see appears on screen. Simply tap on next button and wait for few seconds. Here guys, your information has been saved once time, but next button sometime not work, but your information will be solved. And go back here guys, and now open Play Store application appears on screen and search any application you want to download in your iPhone. And please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the